Just days before Samsung's highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event, notorious leaker Ivan Blass has once again revealed the entire spec sheet for the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6, along with some exciting new features. This time around, the focus is on the device being marketed as a gaming smartphone, boasting a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor that promises an 18% faster CPU and 19% faster GPU performance compared to its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 5. One of the standout features of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is its impressive display capabilities, with the ability to reach up to 2600 nits of brightness when Vision Booster and High Brightness mode are activated on both the cover and primary screens. In terms of design, Samsung has opted for aluminum for the hardware instead of titanium, and the outer display now features Gorilla Glass Victus 2 instead of armor, showcasing a shift in materials for this latest iteration. Despite the absence of some of the rumored upgrades from the Galaxy S24 Ultra, such as the titanium build, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 still promises to deliver a premium gaming experience with its powerful processor and stunning display technology. Samsung's decision to focus on gaming capabilities with this device sets it apart from its predecessors and positions it as a top contender in the foldable smartphone market. Samsung has introduced a new feature for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 that allows it to be used as an interpreter through real-time translation. One screen displays the source language while the other shows the translated text. Users will need to log in with their Samsung account and download additional language packs if needed. Additionally, Google's Circle to Search feature is currently only available on a select few Pixel and Galaxy phones. Another new feature is Samsung Notes Assist, which utilizes AI to transcribe or summarize voice recordings. While Google Recorder can already transcribe recordings, the addition of summarization is a welcome feature for longer audio recordings, which are currently limited to 3 hours each and also requires a Samsung account to access. Despite unchanged cameras, Samsung has made improvements using AI for better, noise-free zoom through the ProVisual engine. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is also 14 grams lighter than its predecessor, weighing in at 239 grams. This is a significant reduction from the Z Fold 4's weight of 263 grams in 2022. The phone also features a larger 6.3-inch covered display compared to the last-gen model's 6.2-inch display, although this comes at the expense of battery capacity, which remains at 4,400 mAh. In addition, specifications for this year's Galaxy Z Flip and Galaxy Z Fold were leaked online weeks ago. Roland Quant has now outlined Samsung's plans to entice people to pre-order either the Galaxy Z Flip 6 or Galaxy Z Fold 6 after its Galaxy Unpacked event on July 10. According to Quant, the company will offer a free pair of Galaxy Buds 3 Pro earbuds during the pre-order period, which is expected to last for about 2 weeks based on previous releases of the Galaxy Z Flip and Galaxy Z Fold. Details about the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro have also appeared online ahead of schedule, indicating that Samsung is prepared to give away earbuds that will retail for roughly €300 in the Eurozone. If recent leaks are accurate, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro will adopt an AirPods Pro-style design with a choice between gray and white finishes. Unfortunately, technical details about Samsung's new earbuds remain unknown for now. So, what do you think about these new features of the upcoming Fold 6 from Samsung? Let us know in the comments section below, and for more updates, you can check out our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, take care.